Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to build a highly practical DIY oil-burning stove. It's compact, efficient, and perfect for outdoor trips or emergency use. Stick around to see the entire transformation, from basic scrap parts to a powerful roaring flame. First, I'm repurposing an old aluminum candy tin. I'll start by cutting and shaping it to create a sturdy casing for the stove, which helps keep the unit lightweight and compact. Then, I'll cut a large hole right in the center of the lid. This is designed for ventilation, allowing better airflow to provide enough oxygen for a strong and steady combustion. Next, I'll drill a series of small holes around the center opening to create the burner jets. These will be the exit points for the flame, ensuring even heat distribution across the cooking surface. Next, I'll insert small sections of copper tubing into the burner jets. Using copper not only helps focus the flame, but also leverages its excellent heat resistance to maintain a stable temperature for the nozzles. Next, I'll thread the wick material into the copper tubes. These wicks act as a delivery system, drawing oil from the reservoir to the burner jets through capillary action, ensuring a steady and consistent flame. Now, I'm filling the reservoir with oil to start the combustion process. It's time to test the efficiency of our delivery system. Once the oil fully saturates the nozzles, we'll be ready for a powerful ignition. Next, I'm installing the pot supports for the stove. These brackets not only stabilize the structure, but also provide a secure platform to hold the weight of your cookware during use. And finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.